Good morning for me, good afternoon, good evening for anyone watching this later in the future. Welcome back to Dan's Trades. As always, none of this is advice, just me showing what I do a little bit here and there. Today is the day before the 4th of July in the United States. It is Thursday, July 3rd, and a very rare NFP Thursday, since tomorrow the markets are closed with the US holiday. So we're looking at a 5-second chart here on the micro NQ contracts. I was only looking to trade a very small ultra scalp today, just because of when and just literally that because when it is. And the only part of it is because I want to get another day on this account, because the sooner I get to 10 days of trading, the sooner I can start extracting money from it. So today is day 4, and again we're looking at the 5-second chart here. I'll pull up where we are in the big picture after this, but I was using this 5-minute dealing range coming into the macro when it was setting the 30-minute opening range. So my stop's going to be lower quadrant. My target is up here. Just a couple of these bodies here. I like these relative equal highs here in this consolidation. We had just been right up here. That's the all-time high at that time. We hadn't breached 23,000 big figure yet. Made a run for it, but it pulled back. So 23,000, not even on this chart, looking very juicy for the big players out there. So that was what was in my mind. Looking for a pullback into fair value. Very, very close invalidation, even before these, even before the swing low. So I had my stop loss right here at the 955. So looking to get in the upper 960s. I missed by a few seconds on my first entry. We see 973, so that was a little bit expensive, so I didn't like that. So when price, oh, don't move the long tool, Dan. So as price pulled back down, took a second entry in the 960s, getting a little bit better position sizing. So now we're 970. Not exactly where I wanted to be, but I wasn't going to add on any more because now we're in the macro. I like trading in the macros, as you've seen in other videos. And it didn't take long. Hello. This is a 5-second chart. That's why I have it down this low. Obviously smoked right through my TP. That's perfectly fine. Low hanging fruit, I'll take that. Didn't quite get to 23,000. Again, very close to it. But that's quite the candle on a 5-second. Must be a lot of buying pressure right there, right? So that's perfectly fine for me. I'll take that for the day. Done for the week. I had accomplished my goal of another profitable trading day, and goal achieved. So let's go back to like a 1-minute chart here and just show she kept on running for sure, and that's perfectly fine. If I can find a time where I can just take out a little chunk, even if it's 10 handles, 20 handles, a couple contracts, I'm happy with that. And we'll just scale up contracts as we go. That's a nice 10 o'clock candle right there. Nice imbalance. So that's what we're doing there. So we'll drop it back to, let's leave it on 1 minute actually. And just to show you what NFP did today, was right here. There's the NFP report, 8:30 candle. Let's drop back down to 15 seconds just to see it, because I'm curious. I haven't actually looked very close at it because I knew we were way past it. And since I was looking before, I think we had the Judas swing. The way that candle looks. Yeah, there's a tiny little Judas swing before the move on a 5-second chart. Let's see when that was. 5 seconds before, tiny swing down, then 8:30 came down, ripped up. 88 points, 90 points, 5 seconds. Injection of volatility, NFP. So we're setting all-time highs on NFP. How's the 15-minute chart looking? People are trying to short the top, getting their faces ripped off. Don't fight order flow. There's yesterday's mock-up. So there's where you see I'm not trading a ton. I'm not trading any more that I've shown. Just taking little beats, little pieces here and there. She just keeps on cruising. 23, what are we at? 23.070 is the high now. Very cool. Well, that's enough for me today. I'm going to call it a new weekend starting, and hope you guys have a great weekend. Those in the U.S., don't blow any fingers off. Be safe. Enjoy family and fun and friends, and as always, remember, tomorrow is promised for none of us. Live for today. Take care.